This is a lovely Monet necklace that I bought. If anybody knows whether this is a book piece, I can't see how it isn't. It's gorgeous. Yeah. So if anybody knows about it, please let me know. And if anyone is interested in purchasing this, please email me at heartwings1123@gmail.com and we can negotiate a price. I did see a demi-parure of this necklace and the earrings for $156. And there's the clasp. So you can shorten this necklace if you want to make it a little bit higher and closer around your neck. And I'll show you the Monet signature on there. There you go, Monet. So yeah, isn't that pretty? Ah, this is a beautiful one. I was very surprised and to find it in the store it was in, because it was not a likely place. Anyway, everybody have a lovely day or evening, and feast your eyes. This is really something. Okay.